Hi, I'm Dr. Jim Carlson from the Grove Animal Hospital and Holistic Center, and this morning we're going to be discussing case number 00317, a retest of a 1-year-old Springer Spaniel mix who has symptoms of licking paws and itching, and currently on the original hemp oil infusion for upper toxicity, the kidneys, and large intestine, which those balanced out. And if we come over to the scale, then you can imagine health being like a scale. If we're totally balanced and we've cleared the symptoms, then we see resolution or the remedy. Now, unfortunately, health is not absolute, so over time we can see more symptoms come up, but continually balancing the body to stay functional in a world that's not quite perfect. We can keep healthy dogs and cats and all animals healthy as long as possible and live a long, balanced life, a long, functional life without a lot of treatment and surgery and things like that. So, but what if we, if we don't, then if we don't totally balance them out, we come over here and we can see that the skin was balanced before, and then we see it goes from 48 to 44. So back to the scale, we're not quite balanced yet. So we can't go over here to say that we've totally cleared the symptoms, but we have to put skin on this side. So we're tipping the scale just a little bit. And so we come back and we clear that. So skin, infusion. I still like hemp oil for that because it's a good one that you can use as a balancing formula, so it's not really interfering, there's no side effects with it, but the infusion itself can clear the skin to take the next round. So what we're hoping, since we're not balanced yet, there's still more to do with the symptoms. In the meantime, we want to create a comfort level, and that comfort level is, first of all, is it affecting their quality of life? So if they're not itching or scratching in a way that's affecting their appetite, their thirst, their urination, their normal playtime, walks, things like that, is we allow them then to, we use the infusion and the therapies here to try to help them to clear it without suppressing this response. But if they become uncomfortable, then we have to use medications that are more for conventional treatment. So, for example, maybe prednisone, Apoquel, or something like that. But we try not to use those as much as possible because in functional medicine, we're really trying to have the body do it, the body treat itself so it can get well. It's more sustainable, there's less side effects, there's less relapsing, things like that. So we start off with the hemp oil infusion, 5 drops a day for 3 months for the skin. The next thing is I would use, it's called Epi-Immune complex from Standard Process, and we'd add that to the diet. Standard Process is a nutritional additives that help to complement the diet and use a nutrition versus changing the whole diet. You notice that the allergies cleared up. So this is not an allergen, but a skin weakness right now. So this is balanced, so we put that behind us, and now we just go for the skin. And so that's specific for the skin as well. And that's more for the nutritional side. No changes in diet, exercise, or anything else at this point. We'll get this ordered, the Epi-Immune product from Standard Process, and give you a call when that's in. And then the hemp oil, if you haven't already picked it up, it should be ready to go as well. So we'll give you a call when you can get that. And for the next 3 months, we're going to be working on strengthening the skin. Please give us regular updates as far as how the symptoms are doing. Are they getting better? Are they getting worse? And if they're getting worse, then we can adjust the therapy until we're balanced. Until the skin is balanced, we can't recover yet. So we've covered these things, but until we're totally balanced, as long as we have symptoms, it's going to give us an answer as to why. Now, the thing that changed at the last 3 months is seasons. So we're going into a different season. So we clear this, but if we still have a skin issue in the winter, then we'll clear that and keep working towards progress where the body's starting to get well and we're in a state of recovery, long-term remission, and then eventual cure. And that's what we're shooting for, where we're not dealing with it anymore. But like I mentioned, unfortunately, life's not perfect, so we may see these things come up from time to time as well, even though we've totally in remission. So if you have questions, 847-541-4005. Also email groveanimalhospital@gmail.com if you have any after-hour questions as well. Keep me updated on a regular basis. I'll see you back in about 30 to 60 days. Thanks so much.